to get out and get out by yourself. Dylan, get out of the car and pull it out of the ditch. Mommy's not going to keep pulling you out of the ditch.
But I am going to hold that. I miss forest. I do see.
I wonder why you're spinning in circles. Watch out! You're gonna have to get out and pull yourself out of the ditch. You have to get out of the car and pull the car out of the ditch. Take your foot off the gas. Dylan, foot off the gas. Foot off the gas. You're silly. Now pull the car out of the ditch. Maybe next time you won't run it into the ditch.
Let's see if it turns around. Yeah.
Go backwards. Pull them both back at the same time. There you go. You can't go that way. Now try moving forward. Push both of them forward. Dylan, both of them forward. Dylan. There. Watch out for the ditch. There you go.